This complimentary video will demonstrate how to construct a deluxe sandbox using YellaWood brand pressure-treated pine. The project plan PDF found online lists the materials and supplies needed, cut list, and diagrams necessary for explaining assembly. Be sure to download and use this in tandem with viewing the video content. Check buildyella.com often for project updates and additions. Impress adults and kids all at once with this versatile sandbox that includes shade, integrated storage, and multiple levels of play. To prepare, make all of your cross cuts, rip any necessary boards, and complete detailed cuts with a jigsaw. It's helpful to label all of the cut wood pieces before assembly. Begin assembly by building the frame and platform. Create 3 sides of a rectangle from 1 part A and 2 parts B. Add parts C, D, and E to the long side to make an L-shaped box. Lay 2 parts M under the frame and face the 2x4s with parts F through K using 1 5/8 inch screws. Clamp as needed and work your way around the perimeter, connecting the edges first and then securing to the frame. Flip the assembly over and lay in flooring boards M and L using 1/4 inch spacers. Mark a screw guide so the 1 5/8 inch screws connect to the frame underneath. Pre-drill your holes and secure all of the flooring boards at either end and in the middle. Then make the sandbox rectangle using 2 parts N and 2 parts O. Drop in a part P at each corner and secure with 1 5/8 inch screws. Now you can add the second layer on top of the frame. First, secure the edges together at each corner with 1 5/8 inch screws. Then attach the top layer to the 2x4 corner pieces. Work your way around the perimeter. To create the corner box, lay in parts Q and R as shown. Use a square to ensure that they are perpendicular to each other and to the outer walls and secure with 1 5/8 inch screws. Drop in 2 more parts P and secure to the L shape and to the outer walls. Secure the second layer to the storage box frame, adding a 3rd part P to the corner of the box. Attach the ledge that will hold the lid on top of parts P and secure with 3 screws per wall. Next, you will build the bench seat. Attach a part U to a part V, ensuring they are square and flush at the top edge. Then attach parts U and W in the same way. Drop this assembly into the sandbox rectangle with W 18 7/8 inches from the back wall. Secure it to the outside walls. Next, attach the first assembly to the back with V 3 7/8 inches from the back wall. On a work surface, attach 3 parts X to a part V so that they are evenly spaced and the outside parts are square and flush. Place this assembly on top of the 2 you just installed and tap into place with a mallet if it's snug. Secure the left and right side of the frame from the outside walls. Place a second layer of part Y on top of part W and secure it to the frame. This completes the bench frame. Lay the seat slats by securing 3 parts M on top of the frame with 1/4 inch spacers. Begin at the front of the seat and maintain flush with the front edge. To create a lip for the sandbox lid, attach parts Z through EE inside the perimeter of the outer walls so they are 7/8 of an inch from the top of the walls. Work your way around the entire inside of the sandbox area. Clamp as needed. Then build the lid backrest with 9 parts GG spaced about 1/4 inch apart and 2 parts FF on top as battens. Secure 2 5 3/4 inch handles on the lower batten 6 inches from either side. Center them within the width of part FF. Test that the lid slides behind the bench seat to form the backrest. Use the handles to assist in lifting. Next, you will build the storage lid and ramp. Assemble the lid upside down on the top of the lip of the box with 3 parts II and 2 parts HH. Ensure the handle cutout is at the top. Flip the lid over and secure the hinges. Test that the lid opens smoothly and lays flat when closed. Now lay the lid backrest onto its lip and close the storage lid. Create a frame for the ramp with parts JJ and LL. Clamp this assembly so that it's flush with the existing 2x4 lip. Then clamp two parts MM, the ones with the handle cutouts, to the assembly at either end. Remove the assembly and secure the top and bottom parts to the frame from the underside. Insert the remaining parts MM evenly spaced and secure the frame to these to complete the ramp. It can now be used as a ramp or as a lid when the Sandbox is not in use. The deluxe Sandbox assembly is now complete. You can close up your Sandbox to prevent leaves and debris from getting inside. Ease any sharp edges using a radial sander or sanding block with medium grit. Visit BuildYella.com to find build plans that can enhance this project.